Hey everybody, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to show you how to upgrade the Pride Mobility PX4 so that you can get up to 80 miles on a full battery. Now the PX4 can handle up to 500 pounds. It's super fast, has a great ground clearance, awesome for off-road, super robust, lots of advanced features. This thing can be used for anything. You can go outdoors, go fishing, you can go nature trails, you can go hunting. You could even take it in a grocery store because technically it is a medical scooter. It's one of the only scooters with an anti-theft system, and we do have a complete in-depth review video which I'll put a link to at the top right-hand corner of the screen in case you want to check that out. It's an epic video. I highly recommend grabbing some popcorn and watching it. Now, what we're going to talk about in this video is how to upgrade it to lithium batteries. Now, we also have an unboxing and assembly video. If you want to see that, click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says unboxing video so you can get familiar with how to assemble it if you decide to order it. Which, by the way, at the end of this video, we're going to give you access to a special coupon code which expires at the end of this month if you want a really great deal on lithium batteries or purchasing the scooter itself. And one other thing before we get started, if you want a copy of our free product catalog, it has our latest products, discount codes, and more. Just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. Now, we do have non-commissioned sales experts. They're super friendly, they're non-pushy. If you have any questions that we don't cover in this video, just give us a call or post a comment below. We will reply to them. We also have stores that you can come on down to and visit and potentially test drive this model as long as we have it in stock. With that being said, let's get started with the video.
I'm your friend Richard from Mobility Direct. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the batteries on your Pride Mobility PX4 scooter to our Dakota Lithium batteries. This scooter has a maximum range of 23 miles with sealed lead-acid batteries. And if you go with our 60 amp-hour lithium, you could get 40 to 60 miles. And if you go with the 135 amp-hour batteries, you could get anywhere from 80 to 100 miles per charge. This upgrade's very easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. And if you found this informative, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Alright, so first, we have to remove the seat on this larger scooter. You need to rotate it a little bit to the right side, and then you can lift up on it to access the battery box. From here, all you need to do is loosen these two twist knobs. Once you do that, you can literally tilt your battery box back, and you can see how the batteries are set up. If you look in here, there's a diagram of how they're installed. But it's very easy. Battery 1. Battery 2. Each battery is plugged in. Then unstrap them. And pull some slack here so it's easy to get the battery back. It's easier to strap the new battery in. And you're just going to lift them out. They are pretty heavy. That's one benefit of the lithium, is they're going to be much lighter. So now that our batteries are out, we can go onto the workbench. All right. Pop these battery leads. Let's take a look at the weight. So that's our 75 amp, our sealed lead acid battery coming in at 47 pounds. This is the bigger lithium battery. That's so 135 amp hour coming in at 26. Almost half the weight. So this is the bigger battery that's going to be good for up to 100 miles. And then here's the battery that's smaller, but good up to 60 miles. What do you think? That way it's going to be, only 15 pounds. Wow. All right. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to put your leads from the sealed lead acid battery onto the lithium battery. So this is not rocket science here. I like to start with the red, the positive, and remove that. And now we're going to remove the black, the negative. Let's get this heavy thing out of the way. So, this battery has a 14mm bolt holding the battery. And we're just going to tighten it down so it's nice and snug. And we're going to go negative. The negative. And I put the black on the negative right here. Tighten this down. It's nice and snug when we go off-roading, works good. Alright, so we're going to repeat this for battery number 2 before we put this in here. Your Dakota Lithium batteries are going to come. The bigger ones like these sizes here are going to come with their own pair of chargers with clips on them. I recommend you charging each battery fully with the Dakota Lithium charger before you install it to the scooter. That is a 10-watt fast charger, and it'll get the voltage where it needs to be quickly, so you could get out on the road quickly. Alright, so we got both our batteries hooked up with the leads. Now we are going to install them to the scooter. So we left our straps nicely when we took them out. So it should just be a matter of tightening them back up. Here we go. I believe this hook was up here towards the top. This is the hardest part right here, to be honest. The same thing over here. If you leave this little hook up towards the top of the battery, makes it a little bit easier. All right, so now on these plugs, you got the right battery, goes to the right plug, left battery, goes to the left plug. So they'll close up perfectly. But for this demonstration, I'm going to leave it open so you can see that I didn't change the batteries out. The PX4, as you know, is equipped with the key fob for security. So you turn it on. Hit your key fob right there. You could now drive the scooter. The SLAs are showing 70% charge. This is going to show 100% for a while because it's lithium. It runs a little bit higher voltage. So if you need volt charge on this scooter, I'm going to put a link in the description for a device that I use. You could stick it in your XLR port and it'll give you live voltage on the scooter. That will be your new battery gauge. If you have any questions or you want to purchase these battery upgrades for your PX4, you can visit mobilitydirect.com or call our team at 866-935-1069. Works beautifully, just as it should. The difference really isn't going to be in speed. It's going to be in longevity. I could hold this throttle full go for probably 80 miles on this scooter. Very comfortable. If you want to purchase this PX4 or any other mobility scooter, you could get them from Mobility Direct. Our company, we sell them with zero tax and free shipping. We also sell parts for all the mobility scooters. So if you need some batteries or you need a tire, give us a call. We're happy to help you. See, that voltage is holding really good up on full throttle. So biker boys, but yeah, I think this scooter really needs the lithium batteries. You have a premium scooter? That's around $5,000 at the time of this video. And it's got like $200 batteries in it. If you change those batteries out, and you could go, like I said, on the 60 amp hours, 40 to 60 miles. But I test most of this stuff at full speed, or if you go with the bigger batteries, you could get up to 80 to 100. This thing feels really smooth. It feels better on the lithium. Absolutely. I really like this little XLR port with the voltage on it. It's been a godsend for any scooter I'm upgrading with lithium on it. Oh, I forgot to mention these batteries. The Dakota Lithium XR warranty for 11 years. So if you're somebody who's using your scooter daily, it's the right choice. Yes, SLA battery only has like 250-300 cycles to it. Lithium over 2,500. So pulling back up into the shop right now, if you want to upgrade your mobility scooter to lithium, this video I did the PX4, but you can pretty much upgrade any mobility scooter name brand. So call our team 866-935-1069. I'm Richard. Thank you for watching this video.